how to use につれて in Japanese. So here's an interesting piece of grammar at the N3 level, につれて. And this, when following a verb, means as, or in proportion with. As you do that verb, dun dun dun. And we can see a little bit more of the meaning here in the Japanese definition. Something suru to. When you do something, 少しずつ, just a little bit, bit by bit, you can see that it's kind of implying some sort of change. As you do something slowly, dun 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 dun. Like for example, as it becomes night, 夜になるにつれて, the temperature decreases. 気温がだんだん下がっていく. So here the change is decreasing. As it becomes night, the temperature gets colder. So here you can see something すると it becomes night, 少しずつ just a little bit, the temperature decreases.
犯人は自信をつけるにつれて行動範囲を広げていく。
So like seen here in Heavy Rain, as the culprit gains confidence, they expand the scope of their activities. So for example, right, some sort of criminal who's committing crimes, they get more and more confidence, so they start doing it in more and more areas.
任務が進むにつれて、あんたの部隊は順調に膨れ上がっていった。
Or like here in Metal Gear Solid 5, as your mission progressed. So 任務が進むにつれて, as that mission continues, your unit grew steadily.
あなたがねぐらに馴染んでくるにつれて、いい人だということが分かってきたから。この子が大きくなり、娘の面影を次第に見せるようになるにつれて、いつしか私たちは罪悪感に苛まれるようになりました。
As she began to look more and more like our daughter, we were tormented with these feelings of guilt.
樹海が想像していたように、百鬼丸が成長するにつれて、奇怪なことが起こり始めた。
Or like here in Totoro, as Hyakimaru grew older, so 成長するにつれて, as he grew older, strange things began to happen. And you will also see this used as just simply につれ. And this is a very slightly more formal way of speaking. However, actually, I found it easier to find examples in video games of につれ than につれて. So that's just an interesting thing to note. But につれ is the same expression, it's just a little bit more formal.
引き剥がされるにつれ、脳自体がダメージを負う。
So as it's torn off, the brain itself gets damaged. So the change here is getting damaged.
高学年になるにつれ、背が伸びなくなって、周りの奴らにどんどん抜かれていった。背の順が前になるにつれ、周りの奴らの態度はどんどん大きくなっていった。そして、
Oh, this very interesting example sentence from Caligula Overdose. As I got to the upper grades in school, I stopped growing taller. And as the order of height among the guys in his school became more pronounced, their attitude just kept getting bigger and bigger. So you see all of this different type of change happening.
成長するにつれ、アメリは病を克服し、同時にその能力が開花した。
Again here with growing up, 成長するにつれ, as she grew up, Amelie overcame her illness, and at the same time her abilities blossomed.
しかし、時が経つにつれ封印の力は弱まり、ついに邪竜復活の兆しが見え始めたのです。
As time passed, so 時間が経つにつれ, the power of the seal weakened.
花粉は雨のせいで急激に弱まっているが、死体に近づくにつれ反応が強まっている。
Or again, like here in Heavy Rain, the reaction is intensifying as I get closer to the dead body. So 近づくにつれ, as I get closer, the reaction gets stronger.
皆さんの活躍を噂で聞くにつれ、己のなすべきことを思い出していったのです。
As I hear rumors of your successes. So 噂で聞くにつれ. As I hear these rumors, the change that happens is I remember the things that I myself need to do.
何度もループするにつれ、僕の精神は摩耗していた。
As I looped over and over again, so being stuck in this time loop, as it happened over and over again, my spirit was worn out.
サスケとの攻防が進むにつれ、心は限りなく高揚した。
And another final example here from Naruto, as the offense and defense with Sasuke progressed. So susumu ni tsure, my spirit was uplifted. So I think this is a pretty simple piece of grammar, right? You need to use ni tsurete or ni tsure after a verb in the dictionary form. And this just means as that action is done, something else happens, often some sort of change. So, something suru to, skoshi zutsu dun 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 dun. As he grew up, strange things started to happen. So as this first action is done, some sort of change happens. As time passes, the seal becomes weakened. So hopefully that video was helpful for you guys. Thanks so much guys for watching. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then consider joining us on the Game Gengo Discord community. You can do that either directly through the Game Gengo website, or you can also do it through Patreon. Not only can you connect with everyone in the community, but also me directly. You can ask for help. You can get Japanese help from both the community as well as native Japanese speakers, kind of helping you with your Japanese, any kind of questions you might have. And I also join in sometimes and help people with questions they might have about Japanese, chat with people about Japanese games, as well as even voting on which games you want to see covered in the vocab series. The community actually determines every month what game gets covered, so if there's a game you want to see, make sure to vote, and hopefully we can see that game in the vocab series in an upcoming episode. So thanks so much guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you again next time. See ya.